and welcome to today's video. Hope you are doing well. We are at Boat Life show at the NEC, as you can see. So basically we've come to have a look around and to speak to different people, and also we've had some good news. More in a minute.
Struggle with dusty corners so we'll feel we'll fade the bombs. Bomb, bomb, bomb. The situation got upset when I stepped on a memory thorn. How I did it to myself. Blood I heavy, had to break free from the minefield that you are. Bomb, bomb, bomb. You let it burn, sharp on the fuse. The table stand, the screws were loose. I guess you had life. I wish you fall off from a window, take a bad trip to the ground. Ooh. And bring the pleasure, see your pressure just before you break a bone. Ooh. You're reflecting, I'm deflecting, burning tires to move on. Too many noises, clash the choices, future came and left like ghosts. No more messing, no caressing, heavy panning on the walls. How I did it to myself. Craving a hip, practice land, sleeping on my bed is cold inside. You let it burn, spat on a fuse. The table stand, the screws were loose. I guess you had life. I wish you fall off from a window, take a bad trip to the ground. Ooh. And bring the pleasure, see your pressure just before you break a bone.
I like free stuff. Thanks, Barris. So the big news today is we've made it to Suzuki stand, and in the last couple of days we have been informed that Suzuki have got our engine finally, the 300 horsepower outboard, ready to go on, and we are excited. So in the next month or so we're hoping to receive the seats, put the console on with all the computers and whatnot, and then get the engine fitted and then testing. Awesome. But thank you very much to Suzuki to helping us out getting the engine, and we just cannot wait to get it out on the water. Things are happening. Let me show you some Suzukis.
From a window, take a bad trip to the ground. Ooh. And bring the pleasure, see your pressure just before you break a bone. I wish you fall off from a window, take a bad trip to the ground. Ooh. And bring the pleasure, see your pressure just before you break a bone. Ooh. You let it burn, spat on a fuse. The table stand, the screws were loose. I guess you had life. I wish you fall off from a window, take a bad trip to the ground. Ooh. And bring the pleasure, see your pressure just before